How to see your watch history on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to see your watch history on Instagram. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. Now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on the profile icon shown in the bottom right corner of the screen. And now from here, you can just tap on the three dash icon shown in the top right corner of the screen. And now here, once you're inside the settings section, simply scroll down and tap on your activity option. And now here in this section, if you scroll down to the bottom, there you'll see the option labeled as watch history. So simply tap on it. And now here in this section, you'll see all the reels that you have watched before on Instagram. And that's it. That's how you can see your watch history on Instagram. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.